way how we pick up skills, the way how we live and survive. But anyway, just to kind of bring it down, I said, um, I'm gonna open up Nancy. I blasted it out in my Facebook page in June 2023. And, I had like a deluge of inquiries from childcare to elderly care and the ones in between, development care and rehab care. And then my first customer didn't come till like August 2023. It came from a friend, and it was supposed to be for childcare, but then he said, you know what, my aunt really needs it more because the old sitter has no idea of how to turn my aunt, and she has like bad bed sores already and has no idea how to clean the feeding tube and so on, so that. But Nicole, we're on a budget, and I said, okay, let me set up something for you that's within your budget. And what happened was my first caregiver who has been loyal since the conceptual stage and has been waiting lang for this to happen. I sent her out, and for 2 weeks, she was just there in the household showing the old sitter how to, care for the bedridden patient. And you know what? They were just too happy. And then suddenly everybody said, Nicole, we need one for my dad. Nicole, we need one for, my baby. And then,
Wait, Nancy does both elderly and childcare. Is that how you segment it, or how do you
yes,
describe the service?
yes. So we segment it in so many ways, and I'm hoping AI will be able to help us in the process of building our platform. So we actually cover the whole spectrum of care, from cradle to, I hesitate to say grave. So I say pre-departure area, and the ones in between, developmental care, which is a subspecialty of childcare, and rehab care for adults and whoever. Um, and we set it up in such a way that we ask the clients and the patients to tell us their preferences, gender wise, geography wise. And key there is, how short or how long do you need somebody to care for your loved one, you know? So short term care would really refer to 3 months below of a duration. And sometimes this would be needing relievers because they don't know where to get relievers. Okay. And sometimes on demand scenarios would be like, oh, Yaya went on a vacation. Yaya didn't come back. And now there's nobody to take care of my child. And my work schedule is kind of disrupted. Something like that. To long-term care, which is 3 months or more. With the aim of like, just giving quality care for that person until that person either recovers or that person, gets ready for the next stage in life, you know.
Does it also cover ano? Kasi there's a term called palliative care, diba? Is that
Palliative,
included?
palliative care is something that we will go into.
Mhm. So
Probably,
it's not formally addressed by you, but in a way, I'm sure
yeah,
it touches already, right?
yeah, 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 yeah. So it's going there, actually, especially with some of our elderly patients na, you know, uh, really, really old and just need to be comfortable na lang toward the end of their years. And I'm so glad that, I was able to get, you know, uh, a great uh, co-founder in the person of Dr. Angelo Ramos, who's an internist. Okay. And actually, a decade back, he was already wanting this. But, I guess it was too early then. And then suddenly, a common friend of ours brought us together. And he said, Nicole, it's what I've been wanting. And he also is coming from a personal experience with his mother, too, you know. So we were of single mind. And we said, the best way really is to get this thing out with Nancy, and then move uh in move towards